Today I'm going to show you how to make a boat of Lego. First you take one of these. Sorry, I don't know how to work it. And then you take this, you put weight here like this. Did you get yellow piece? Put the weight at the front of it, just like that. Like that. Oh my God. And then you put that. You take 3 of these, put them on the front of the yellow, just like this. And then you take a piece just like this, and you put this like this on this, and then
Is that like a rehearsal, Thomas?
put it here,
Sauce is done.
and you put these pieces here.
We're all a bunch of talk to ourselves people.
And then
We're all in the
what-
same room talking to ourselves.
and then grab this and put it right here, like that. Oh my God. And then when it's done, you put this 1, 2, 3 of these. I mean 1, and 2 of them. And then you grab this. You grab 2 of these, put them on just like that. And if you didn't see, this is how you get it. You do it. As you do. And then just like that. And then you put 2 of these this side. One of them. One of them was here. Keep getting confused. And then you grab this. Then put the tip of there. Just like that. Just like this. You grab 2 of these. Just like so. Zip, and then put the pointy the same way. And then grab one of these. Grab one of these and put them right here. You put them right here, just like so. One like that. And then grab 3 of these. And then put them right here. And then you grab all these. Put them here, to there, and put them just like that. And then you just like that, and then grab a yellow piece, put it right here.
I'm so
And
excited
you
to have
grab
that camera
this.
into my barn.
Oh, yeah.
And then
I
with
gotta
the
get on
leaf,
that. That's another thing. I gotta find out where that Wi-Fi booster stuff is.
Yeah, well, you had lots of them to figure out, so.
I mean, 1, 2 of these,
I'm just stating that I'm excited.
and put them just like this.
I was just thinking, Just because I'm excited about that.
Can you please be a little quieter? I'm trying to do my YouTube thing. And you put this like this.
Oh, I would not. I'm not.
And this like this.
The piece, they're kind of different pieces to make everything work. It's kind of screwing.
Yeah.
But I'll
Just like
try to find
this.
out, because I don't think it's gonna work properly.
Just like that. And then this. Put up there. You put in the middle these. Just like that. Like this. And then put more of these right here. And then put this right here. And then you grab one of these and put it this like this, just like this. And that's the end of the video for today. Stay tuned for the next video.